This is part 2 of problem number 34 from page 354 in the book. As we left off in part 1, we had done manipulations to 2 of the equations, reversing the first of the givens here, and also dividing it by 2, and also reversing and dividing this one by 2. So here's where we are. We have these 3 equations left. And I think we're to where we want to be, but we can check that by adding these all together. We're just going to add together all 3 of these equations, and it's going to look like this then. Let's see, we're going to take NO. I'm going to start clear over here because I'm going to have a lot to write, I think. Plus O3 plus 3 halves O2 plus this one, O. That should be everything on the reactant side. Yields NO2 plus O2 plus O3 plus 1/2 O2. And when I do that, I need to add all of these together as well. And so I'm going to get my calculator out here, and we're going to take negative 199 plus positive 214 plus negative 298, and that gives us negative 283 kilojoules. All right, so let's look and see what we've got going on this equation down here. So I see, for example, that I have O3 on both sides of the equation, so they will just cancel out. All right, next I have the oxygens. I have 3 halves oxygens over here. Well, I have 1 full oxygen and another half of an oxygen. So adding these 2 together clears this one out. And let's see what we've got left, because I think we're in good shape here. NO plus O yields NO2. And the delta H that we calculated for that was negative 283 kilojoules. All right, and that's our final answer right there, because that's what we were asked to find. All right, so just to kind of recap, what we've done here is we've just manipulated these equations up here in such a way that we end up, when we add them together, we get the equation that's the target right here. And it's just like, as I've used the analogy before, it's like a jigsaw puzzle. You've got to take the piece, each one of these equations is a piece, and rearrange it, rotate it. If you need to, you may need to make it bigger or smaller, which is not exactly what you do in jigsaw puzzle, but multiply or divide. As long as you do the same thing to the delta H, you're in good shape. So in the end, you get the target equation. So negative 283 kilojoules is our answer for that one.